In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create printable address labels with images in Microsoft Word. This is a great way to add a personal touch to your labels, whether it's for your business or a special event. Let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Word on your computer. Once Word is open, go to the Mailings tab at the top of the screen. In this section, you'll find the option for labels. Click on it, and a new window will pop up where you can begin setting up your labels. Now, in the Label section, type in the address you want to use. If you're planning to print a full page of the same label, make sure it's set up that way. Next, click on Options to adjust your settings. In the Options window, select Tray and ensure it's set to the default tray. Then, choose your product number. This is the size of the labels you're using. Once selected, click OK. Now, hit New Document, and you should see a page full of address labels with the text you added. At this point, you're ready to add your image, like a logo or any graphic you want on the labels. To do that, go up to the Insert tab at the top of the screen, then click on Pictures. From here, select where your image is saved. For example, if it's on your computer, click this device and choose the image file you want to use. After selecting it, press Insert. Once your image is in place, click on the Layout Options icon next to it. Set the text wrapping to square. This ensures the image can move freely around your text. Now, you can resize the image and drag it to the desired position on your label. You can also adjust the text and layout options as needed. To add this image to all of your labels, go back to the Mailings tab and click on Labels again. Right-click on the address you've selected and choose Paragraph. Here, you can adjust the text alignment to your preference. After making those changes, click OK and then click New Document. The image will now appear on all the labels. Finally, to print your labels, click on File in the top left corner of your screen. Then, select Print. In the Print menu, you can adjust the number of copies you need by increasing the quantity at the top. Once you're ready, connect your printer and click Print, and that's it. You've now created printable address labels with images in Microsoft Word. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.